Welcome back to our channel. In mathematics, differentiation is one of the most powerful tools we have. It comes from calculus and its goal is simple: to measure how things change. So first of all, what is differentiation, or commonly known as derivative? Derivative is the rate of change or the slope of a curve. What does this mean? Whenever something changes, like speed, growth, or temperature, differentiation helps us measure that change. In geometry, if we look at a curve, for example, differentiation gives us the slope of the tangent line at any point. Why is this? Because for any curve, the slope at any different point differs throughout the curve. So let's take an example. If we know how far a car travels with time, differentiation gives us the velocity, and if we differentiate again, we get acceleration. So derivatives connect quantities and their rates of changes in the real world. So let's take an example. Given an equation, for example, y equals to x squared. When we plot this equation, what do we have? We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. When x is 1, y is 1. When x is 2, y is 4. When x is 3, y is 9, which is somewhere up here. You notice that this gives us a curve with changing slopes at each point. So for this curve, for example, the slope is not constant. At x equals 1, the slope is 2. At x equals to 2, the slope is 4. Differentiation is the process that finds this slope at every single point. So how is this differentiation, or how do we denote differentiation? There are several ways of writing down these differentiations. That is, we can either use dy on the x, which can be represented as the derivative of y with respect to x, y prime, which can still be seen as a derivative of y with respect to x, or d in this x of y. So each and every one of these are notations we use to represent the concept of derivation or the notion. So just to know, all these three mean the same thing, which is the rate of change of y with respect to x. So in conclusion, differentiation is the foundation of calculus. Over this course, we'll start from the very basics, the first principle, and build all the way up to advanced applications. By the end, you will not only know how to solve problems, but also see how differentiation explains the world around us. So bye, see you on the next video.